Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we're going to be doing a Think Pink Tonic for you. Yes, you heard it right, a Think Pink Tonic. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. First, watermelon, half beetroot, 1 whole lime, 2 slices pineapple, watermelon. Second, beetroot, whole lime, then pineapple, and our Think Pink Tonic is ready. Our Think Pink Tonic is ready. It's an excellent source of potassium. It helps you to reduce blood pressure levels. So there you go. Request you to please subscribe our channel, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, Maahek squat pilates and excellent recipes. Thank you and see you next time.